Hey everyone, so this is going to be my cat wing eyeliner tutorial. First you do a traditional cat eye. Then you make the wing. I normally do a downward facing wing when I'm doing this particular technique. Then you draw your first whisker. Now you're going to follow your original line from your wing, and you're going to go slightly above it and then kind of curl a little bit upwards. Now you're going to follow your crease line until it meets with that final wing. This seems a lot more difficult than it is, but once you actually start doing it, you'll realize that it wants to stay right in the crease line, and it's actually super easy. I'm just going to touch it up and do it on the other side. And there it is. I definitely had to touch up some angles, so don't feel bad if it doesn't come out quite perfectly the first time. You have a lot of wiggle room to work around with here, and there's a lot of ability to kind of course correct and make small little adjustments. So you're doing great, and until next time.